Hello everybody, welcome to Filmmaking. Today, Boyan Dulabic here. So, would you like to shoot macro photography with your DJI Osmo Pocket camera? Stay tuned. This is the macro lens for the DJI Osmo Pocket by Ulanzi. And this is what comes in the box. It's just a lens inside this little box right here. And this is what it looks like from the front. Very simple. And from the side, it's definitely much thicker than an ND filter. In order to put it on, it just snaps on using the magnets, just like an ND filter. And it's secure, it doesn't go anywhere. And if you want to turn it on with the lens attached, it's fine. It won't hit the bottom of the Osmo Pocket. All in all, the image and video quality you can get out of this little lens is actually pretty good as long as you are about 2 centimeters away from the subject, which is a little bit less than an inch. I'll show you some photos and videos in just a second. All photos have been touched up in Luminar. And here's an example. This is one of my plants, fake plants that I use as prop. You can see the settings here. Here was the before and after. As you can see, it's pretty sweet. I was very close to it. Same with these guys. These are fake seashells, I suppose. And same thing, you can get some really interesting shots. Again, one of my fake plants. And here's the before, here's the after. I definitely punched it up in Luminar, no doubt about that. But the quality is there. Here's an extreme close-up of one of my Mario figures. And same thing, you can get some really cool shots. Here you can see how close I was, which is about 2 centimeters from it. And here are a few more examples of just random stuff that I shot that's lying around the office, whether it's different props, my other cameras, just random stuff. And now let's take a look at some video. Here I have the camera, again about 2 centimeters away from this basket. These shots have been graded in Premiere Pro. And again, you get some really interesting and cool shots. Here I had some fun. I'm moving the gimbal itself as I'm moving the camera forward or backwards. And just trying to get some really cool and creative extreme close-ups. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, you can get some pretty cool shots with this little lens. In my opinion, there's really only one drawback, and that's really a drawback of the Pocket camera itself, which is because there's no zoom, there's no, it's not an actual lens, right? It's more an add-on to a lens with this macro lens. You have to be really close to it. As I mentioned, you have to be about 2 centimeters away from the subject in order for it to be in focus. Now, sometimes getting there can be a bit finicky, right? Unlike if you're having an actual macro lens that you attach to your camera, you can fine-tune it. You got more control of it. If you have a longer lens, a 60mm lens, you can be a little bit further away, that kind of stuff. With this one, obviously, you are a bit limited when it comes to that. So if you are shooting, let's say a spider, insects, something like that, yeah, you got to be like really close up. So, might not be for everyone, right? So that's really the only limitation, I would say. But like I said, it's a limitation of the camera itself. It is what it is. Other than that, in my opinion, I don't think you're really losing any quality. Yeah, maybe a little bit, but it's not that bad, not bad at all. And it really does allow you to get some cool, creative shots, both video and photos, which is always a good thing. And combining that with the gimbal, getting some interesting shots when it comes to especially video, I think it's worth it. I think it's definitely worth it, and it's only going to run you about 20-25 bucks, somewhere around there. So, can't go wrong with that. So, as always, links to everything will be in the description. Check those out. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, tell your friends, all that good stuff. Hit that bell icon to be notified of future videos, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.